Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you apply it at night and go to sleep in the next morning. Everyone will wonder what's your secret for glowing and fair milky skin naturally and removing suntan, remove blemishes, dark spots, black spots, hyperpigmentation and get even toned skin, spotless skin naturally with very simple ingredients at home my friends. This magical remedy works 100% and will get you milky fair skin, and you will notice a great results from first use, and by using it on a regular basis you will get milky fair skin and you will get glowing skin naturally, and it works my friends. It will get you an amazing results. But before we start out my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, every time I upload new remedy, you'll be notified to watch it and you'll get so many beauty tips from me. So, my friends, the first thing we need to prepare this magical remedy in a clean mixing bowl, we need to add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, just the normal starch. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and you cannot use baking powder my friends. It's not the same. It's not going to give you the same results. You need to use 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well the dry ingredients together. Now we need 1 lemon and cut the lemon in half like so. And add around 1 full teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Then my friends, we need natural milk and add milk until we get a cream paste, a thick cream paste. Like so my friends, our magical remedy is ready. Mix it very well. Keep mixing the ingredients until they combine very well together like so. Now our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on a clean skin that has no makeup or dust and leave it to dry out completely, and then rinse it with lukewarm water, and you will be amazed with the result my friends. It whitening the skin tone from first use. You will notice a great result my friends. Use it 3 times weekly to achieve the best result ever, and you will get rid of dark spots, black spots, hyperpigmentation with this simple ingredients my friends. I'm sure that video will help you too my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.